funny stuff. Jonah, this one's for you.
There's a ton of bluegill right there. They're spawning. Oh man, another one on the frog. Telling you, it's deadly. Anytime the water's warm, I always start out with a frog. Every time, and it always seems like it produces for me. Look at that fish. Look at how fat that fish is. Beautiful Lake Oconee bass. You think that big one didn't want it? Woo! You're watching Peak Performance Fishing. I'm Johnny Jenkins with Peak Performance Fishing. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Look at that monster on a frog early in the morning. That's what you gotta love, baby. I mean, my gosh. Just take a look at how deep. I don't think I've ever had a frogfish eat one that deep.
And then we did the piano. We put it inside.
A freaking toad, dude. Don't you get off, you big girl. Woo! Look at that frog. Mmm. 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 Look at that. This fish is bleeding too.
So I guess I'll have to do it on the Sunday when my mom's off because she wants to go. Film me on the ground.
Got big. Come to this side. It's a big one, man. Such a big one. Fish, we have well over 4+ pounds. Frog fishing, baby. I'm telling you, fishing the big frogs, getting into heavy cover. We have some of the best clips that I've ever had frog fishing this summer, and it's all going to be packed into this video, and I just can't wait for it. If you're watching this video and you're wanting to catch more bigger frog fish, this is where it's at. And I'll tell you what, if we're using this as a closer clip for this fish, I'm gonna biting big ones. If you use all these tips that you've seen in this video, getting into heavy cover, making sure your casting is on, using all those key tips, I'm telling you what, you're going to start catching fish like professionals. You're going to catch fish like that, and who doesn't want to do that? Who doesn't? I don't think there's a single person watching this video that doesn't. So use all those tips, using the casting to your advantage, using the right equipment. Those two things right there, your casting and working on your equipment, is going to catch you big ones like that on frogs this summer or next summer. Talk to you later. This has been Johnny Jenkins from Peak Performance Fishing.